Hey guys, it's Charles, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to fix your Google Play Store not downloading and installing. So guys, if you're having this error, the very first thing you can try is just double check that you are actually connected to the internet. So just open any browser. I'm going to open Chrome here, and just try connecting to a website. So I'm going to try connecting to Wikipedia, and we can see that I did connect, so I am indeed connected to the internet. Okay, so let's go home. The next thing you can try is hold your power button and just hit restart to restart your phone. Sometimes this will fix it as well, and that could fix your problem. Now, if that doesn't work, what you can do is pull down your drop-down menu and hit the gear in the top right to go into your settings, and then hit apps. And then we're going to scroll down until we get to the Play Store. Oh, it's right there, Google Play Store. Click it. And then we're going to hit Storage. And then we have these two buttons right here, Clear Data and Clear Cache. We're going to hit both of those. And there we go. And that should fix your problem. So guys, let us know if that worked in the comment section below. If you have any suggestions or any topics you'd like us to cover in the future, you can ask in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.